Welcome everyone, and today I am going to go over what you should document for work tickets. This is a common occurrence that nowadays you have your work tickets are on a platform, a app platform of some type, and these platforms can accept pictures and images and videos. So now I'm just going to go over like what you should document, and I'm starting with taking a full picture of the equipment you're working on. Then you want to take a picture, a good picture as best you can, of the data plate so that there's verification of the serial number and model number. And then you want to take a picture under the counter of the water filter system that is installed, and if it has a date on it or if it doesn't have a date, you have documentation of it. Then next you want to go to your back room and take a picture of the full bib rack. And in some cases you may have equipment that has the water filter is in the back room instead of under the counter. When you take a picture of those systems, you should take a full picture of that full system so that you can see if it's hard plumbed in or if it's using flex tubing. It gives the customer an idea, especially if you're working with national brands. So those are some basic tips on what you should document on your work tickets. I thank you all for watching. See you on the next video.